What's going on, guys? Right here we have the JT-X7 GPS drone, and we're going to be giving this guy a flight test today. So I made a review on this. I'll link it in the description below, and I also included a comparison video where I compare this to another drone. But we're going to be flying this guy today outside. It's pretty nice out, and we're going to test out some of its features that it does. Basically, if you don't know, this is a budget level drone. It's around the $200 mark. And I'm going to test out the in-flight features like waypoints and follow me, and I'm going to give you my opinion, and you can make up your own on this drone. Alright, so I will, if you want to look at the footage straight from the SD card, I will just, like I said, I'm going to link my review in the description, so just go to that and you can look at the footage from there. Alright, so anyways, let's get into the video. Time to open this guy up. Here we go. Take the drone out right here. Place that down. We also have the controller. Time to give this guy a flight. Alright, so it's a pretty nice day out, guys. Excited to give this guy a flight test. I haven't done a video on this in a little bit, so I'm excited to get out here and do it. Here we have the drone right here. Got an SD card. In there you can see that right there is the SD card. Let's place this guy down, and we have the controller, the handles. There we go. Alright, so drone's turned on, and then you turn on the controller, camera's adjusting. Make sure on sunny days too you have sunglasses with you when you're flying. Alright, so we're going to calibrate this guy right now. Alright everyone, so it's calibrated right now. Now we're going to take the sticks and put them down and out, or down and in I should say, and then just throttle up a little bit. And here we go. It's in the air. Let's give you a full view. Here is the JT-X7 in flight. Let's take it out and let's test this guy out, see what it can do. Link to the review, by the way, my review will be in the description. It's the only review for this guy on YouTube. Okay, so we're going to start out here with tap to fly. This is basically waypoints, and as you can see, it gives you a radius right here, and you can only do the waypoints inside that radius. Now I'm just going to do a I'm setting my points right now, and we're traveling down there now, but you can't really well, as you can see, I'm not going very far. I'm just circling the baseball diamond, so that was relatively quick. Now I'm also going to do this again in this next clip right here, but now I'm a little bit higher up, so I'm going to, you know, go a little bit further out, just, you know, inside the outfield. So I am starting, and there we go. And as you can see it from the Wi-Fi FPV. This is just a screen recording on the app in the phone. Alright, so the next up, we're just going to do this follow me. Now, I try to get this to work, and I'm going to be honest, this thing doesn't really work too well, but, you know, it follows me, I guess, kind of. It doesn't really lock on. It just locks on to the GPS on your phone. That's what I think anyways. So, it's not really doing a great job, but, I mean, you can't really ask too much. Remember, this is a budget drone, $200, I mean, around that price range, so you can't really ask too much. I mean, it's not doing bad. Alright, so that really concludes the flight test on the Jettine JT-X7. It's not a bad drone, to be honest. I really wouldn't pay over $200 for this drone. It's just, you know, it's just an average drone. So, I mean, I have fun flying it. Now, one thing that I'm kind of disappointed in is it doesn't have any optical flow sensors, as you can see. But, I mean, like I said, it's a budget drone, so I mean, if I were to give it, one critique, that would be it. So I will leave a link to purchase this drone in the description. Thanks for watching the flight test. This isn't really a long video, but I just wanted to get out there and fly this guy. So hope you guys, hope this helped you buy, or helped you, considering in your purchasing decision. So I'll see you in my next video. Peace.